Hello everyone, welcome to College 2. So today we are talking about which MBA stream is best for you. Well, MBA is a Master of Business Administration professional degree program in the world. Today there are various MBA programs offered worldwide. MBA offered 2-year program. It is all about understanding the each and every aspect of business dynamics. As well as there is a lack of information, student knows only few things about MBA. So today we are discussing about the top best specialization in MBA which helps student to achieve good salary and position. There is a top best MBA specialization which is marketing, finance, information system technology, human resource operation. Coming to next, which is about MBA in marketing. We can say that marketing is the backbone of each and every company. The simple most popular specialization among MBA graduate in India. There is a great need of marketers always to increase the reach of their product. Moreover, every company need a marketing manager to increase their sales. It is an evergreen specialization which never decrease. Skills required for marketing. Excellent communication skill will help to convince the customer. Creativity. Creativity will help to attract the customer to their product as well as increasing the product marketing. Mathematical and analytical skills. This will help to invest the right money in right place. Leadership skill which help to lead the team. Job opportunities in digital marketing or in e-commerce. Types of job in marketing: sales manager, brand manager, product manager, market research analyst, media planner. Salary package after MBA in marketing. The average salary package may range in between 7 lakh to 20 lakh. Now coming to next, which is about MBA in finance. Finance is one of the short after MBA specialization course which focus on management, accounting and control, the Indian capital, money marketing, banking, international finance. The manager in finance is the highest paid job these days, as it is the responsibilities of manager in finance to maintain financial records of the company. Your main role will be to maximize return and minimize input in the balanced manner. Skills required for MBA finance: mathematical skill, communication skill, leadership skill. Job opportunities is banking, corporate finance, accounting, cash manager, finance manager, risk and insurance manager. So salary package after MBA in finance is start from 6 lakh to 45 lakhs. Coming to next and most relaxing job, I mean to say that having less pressure. Human resource. Human resource manager in a company responsible to acquire, manage and retain the workforce. A manager tries to maintain the equality between company and employee. HR is responsible to solve all the issues of employee and responsible for smooth functioning of company. Or we can say that HR is a ringmaster in a business jungle. Skills required for MBA in HR: communication skill, problem solving, strategic thinking, adaptable to change, sensitivity. If someone behave wrong, you have to keep calm and handle the situation. There are many types of jobs, which is HR generalist, staffing director, technical recruiter, director of HR training and development. After MBA in HR, the salary package goes from 3 lakh to 18 lakh. Now we will discuss about MBA in information technology. In today's time, you cannot escape technology. Every company or industry want to grow their business with technical expertise. A manager in IT responsible to manage IT department of the company. Skills required for MBA in information technology, which is communication skill, problem solving skill, leadership skill, knowledge of IT. Types of job in IT: information system manager, system analyst, chief technology officer, IT manager, Technical Product Manager. The average package is start from 4 lakh to 34 lakh. MBA in Operation Management. The MBA in Operating Management is all about manufacturing, service, trading, etc. It includes the managing process like product design, manufacturing, quality, supply, etc. Types of job opportunities in this is Operation Manager, Operation Analyst, Management Consultant, etc. Thank you for watching.